Guys, is the engine oil inside of your engine disappearing? Now where did all that engine oil go? Let's find that out in this video, guys. We'll see why your engine is losing oil even if you don't see any leaks on the floor. So it is going to be a very interesting video, guys, so see that you don't skip even a bit, otherwise you can miss important information here. So without any further ado, let's get the video started. Guys, first let's see why it even matters if oil is disappearing from your engine or totally the oil gets empty. What can happen to your engine if that happens, guys? Well, first of all, your engine can seize and you can have a breakdown in the middle of the road, guys, which is not a very good thing to happen. And once there is a problem with your engine, the engine repairs are not very cheap. You guys know that already. So today in this video, guys, we will break down the most common reasons why the oil disappears from your engine. Now, reason number one is external leaks. Now these are the leaks that happen because of a worn out gasket. Now gaskets are cardboard like things which are placed in between the engine parts, guys. When that gets worn out, all the oil starts to flow out from there. Even if your oil filter cover doesn't close properly, then oil can even flow out from there, guys. Now when there are this type of leakages, you can easily find out because all that oil will flow down on the floor and on the ground, and you can visually easily see that there is oil on the floor which is come down from somewhere from your vehicle. So look for oil spots on the floor, under your car or under your bike. You can even find out if there is too much grease build up on the engine or on the side there around the engine. Now guys, sometimes what happens is we drive the car and the AC is on for a long time, then we park the car and now that AC water is falling on the floor. Some people misunderstand it and they think that engine oil is flowing down. When that happens, guys, you just have to touch the thing that is on the floor and check if it is water or oil. If it is water, you guys know how water feels like, and if it is oil, you know what oil looks like, guys. So most of the time it is AC water which is dropping there. Don't worry about it. If you are concerned, then check it directly. If it is water, then you know that it is AC water. But if it is oil, then you know there is a leakage inside of your engine. Moving on to reason number two, and reason number two is, guys, burning oil. We can even call this internal leaks. Sometimes what happens is your piston rings are worn out. You've been riding or driving your vehicle for a long period of time, and over time these piston rings get worn out. Once they get worn out, a gap is created, and through that gap engine oil reaches your combustion chamber and it burns there. Sometimes it even so happens that the valves, guys, there is a rubber gasket around the valves. If that rubber gasket gets worn out, then oil can leak inside your combustion chamber from there. So these piston rings, these rubber gaskets, these seals, if they break, oil can reach your combustion chamber and get burned. Now once this happens, you will notice that there is a bluish black smoke coming out from your silencer. Now how to determine the fault inside of your engine by looking at the smoke that is coming out from the silencer, I have already made a detailed and in-depth video on that. If you guys have not watched that video, then I will put a link of that video in the I button above. You can definitely go there and check that video out as well. It's a very helpful video, guys, and you will definitely learn a lot from it. It's a must watch video. Now when you see that black smoke coming out from your silencer, you know that oil is reaching your combustion chamber, and that oil is now going to get over very fast, guys, because now it is burning. So now let's go to reason number 3, and reason number 3 is oil evaporation. Now this happens because of high engine temperature, guys, in hot weather conditions. Now in this extreme hot weather condition, if you put thin engine oil inside of your engine, it will definitely get evaporated, guys. If you put low quality engine oil inside of your engine, and if the temperature outside is very hot, then there are chances that that engine oil is evaporating. So you will have to keep a note on what type of engine oil you are using inside of your engine, guys. If it is a good quality engine oil, if it is a low quality engine oil, what is the temperature outside, all these things you will have to check when your engine oil is disappearing. Moving on to reason number 4. And reason number 4 is head gasket failure. You will never want this, guys, believe me. When your head gasket blows up, your coolant goes inside of your engine oil, and your engine oil leaks inside of your coolant. When this happens, if you open the engine oil compartment and if you check the oil inside, you will notice that it has become white, it has become milky type. When you see that, it's a very bad sign. And when you open the coolant radiator cap, you will notice that there is oil residue inside. You know what happens when oil is put inside of water, it floats, and you know on that there is oil inside of that coolant. So when this happens, you know that there is a head gasket failure. So definitely you are going for an expensive repair. So that's why I always use good engine oil, guys. Moving on to reason number 5. And reason number 5 is wrong oil grade used. Yes guys, many people they just buy engine oil and they pour it inside of their engine. They don't know which grade they are putting or what oil is designed for their engine. Many mechanics they tell that engine oil is good, use that one and you will have no problems. But your engine is not designed for that oil, guys. But you are still putting and you don't know what is happening now. Why there are certain numbers on that engine oil, why the grades are given. Now I have made a separate video on these grades, guys. If you guys have not watched that video, then I will put a link of that video in the end screens. You can go there and definitely watch that video. Also a very important video. You should understand what these grades are and then you will come to know if that particular oil is thin or thick for your engine. Now when your engine overheats, you know that the oil that you have put inside of your engine is a thin oil and then you can replace the oil. If you'll have to check your vehicle owner's manual, on that it is mentioned what engine oil is designed for your engine, guys. So always check your manual and replace the oil according to the engine oil grades that are designed for your engine. So if your engine oil keeps on disappearing, then don't ignore it, guys. Check for the leaks, watch your exhaust smoke, inspect the oil regularly, because sometimes it is a simple fix and other times it is a very expensive fix, guys. So if you guys have ever experienced engine oil disappearing from your vehicle, then share your experience in the description below so that it can help other people as well, guys. So guys, I'm hoping that you have found this video useful and I'm hoping that you have learned a lot in this video. So that's all in this video, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video now. Till then, bye and take care.